These VONIKI Nonstick frying pans with lid are a great addition to any kitchen. They come as a set, which is like getting a team of helpers for your cooking adventures. The granite coating makes these VONIKI Nonstick frying pans with lid truly nonstick. Foods like eggs and even sticky meats slide right off. Cleaning up is a breeze. And that saves you time and effort after cooking. Plus, the lids help trap heat and moisture, so your food cooks evenly and stays delicious. These VONIKI Nonstick frying pans with lid are designed for easy use. The handles are comfortable to grip, and they stay cool while you're cooking up a dash. You can use these pans on different kinds of stovetops, including induction. This makes them a versatile choice for many kitchens. The set is also a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves to cook, or maybe someone just starting their own kitchen adventures. While I don't have photos to show you here, imagine sleek, modern-looking pans that would look good in any kitchen. Thinking about the long run, these pans seem durable. The non-stick surface is strong, and with proper care, they should last, of course. Like any non-stick pan, you'll want to avoid using metal utensils that could scratch the surface. If you ever need replacements down the line, knowing the brand VONIKI might make it easier to find similar quality. Overall, for the oferta price, this VONIKI Nonstick frying pans with lid set appears to be a solid choice for everyday cooking, making your time in the kitchen simpler and more enjoyable, and less time spent at the sink. Pros: induction compatible, includes lids, granite design, durable, multiple pans, omelet pans. Skillet set, chef's pan. Cons: not oven safe, hand wash only, lid may not seal well, handle may get hot, uneven heating possible, quality may vary, durability unknown, limited warranty. Info features: non-stick surface, includes lids, granite coating, induction ready, omelet pans, skillet set, cookware set, kitchen skillet, chef's pan, pot and pan. This VONIKI frying pan set has a non-stick surface with a granite coating, so food will slide off easily. The set includes lids for the pans. These pans can be used on induction cooktops. You can use the smaller pans for making omelets. This set is a collection of different sized skillets, making it a useful cookware set for your kitchen. It includes a chef's pan and can be considered a pot and pan gift. This VONIKI Nonstick frying pan set comes with lids and has a granite-like design. It includes multiple pans, such as omelet and skillet pans, and a chef's pan that is not safe for oven use. The set is compatible with induction cooktops. However, it needs to be hand-washed. The lids might not seal tightly. The handles could get hot, and uneven heating is possible. The overall quality and long-term durability are not well known, and there is limited information about the warranty.